All right, let's talk about something every single person who's ever done a hackathon knows all too well, that frantic last-minute panic to come up with a team name. You might think it's a small thing, but trust me, it's a bigger deal than it seems. So let's hack this problem, shall we?
Okay, just imagine it. Your hackathon starts in, an hour. The buzz in the room is electric. You've got your laptop, you've got your snacks, you've got a gallon of coffee, and then your teammate turns to you and asks, "So, what are we going to call ourselves?" And nothing. Total blank. We've all been there, right? Yeah, if you know, you know. That pressure is real. You're trying to come up with something that's funny or cool or super clever, and it honestly feels like the first big hurdle of the whole event. And you know what? In a way, it kind of is.
See, it's so much more than just a name. That name you scribble down on the registration form, it's actually doing a ton of heavy lifting. It's really the first step in building your team's whole identity.
And this quote just nails it. A great team name can totally spark energy, boost morale, and create a sense of unity. It's not just a label, people. It's your first big move. It's your rallying cry for the next 48 hours. So why does it matter so much? Well, for starters, it sets the whole tone for how you're going to work together. It's also a huge motivator. Like, imagine seeing your awesome team name climbing up that leaderboard. It builds a memorable identity, and maybe most importantly, it pulls you all together and makes you feel like a real team. Okay, so how do you actually land on the perfect name? Well, the trick is to figure out your team's vibe, its personality, or let's call it your flavor. We're going to look at 3 main flavors you can choose from. First up, we have the comedians. You know these teams. They're the ones who believe that a good pun can get you through a 3 a.m. coding session. Their whole goal is to be witty, unforgettable, and, maybe even make the judges crack a smile.
And the names are just fantastic. I mean, you've got 404, Not Found, a total classic. Hack Street Boys, pure genius. Control-Alt-Delete, the Null Pointers, Bite Me, Debugging Docs. They're all so good. These names immediately tell everyone, yeah, we're here to code, but we're also here to have some fun.
All right, next on the list, the innovators. Now, this is a totally different energy. These are the teams that want their name to sound sleek, powerful, and futuristic. Their name is basically a statement that says, step aside, we're building what's next. And you can just feel it in these names, right? Code Mavericks sounds so cool and confident. Quantum Quicks, Pixel Pioneers, Cyber Savants. I mean, come on. Digital Dynamos, Techno Trailblazers. They all sound like you're on the cutting edge. These names scream ambition and skill. And for our last category, we've got the strategists. These are the teams that love a good technical pun. Their names are smarts, they're clever, and they're basically an inside joke for anyone who speaks code. It's a way of showing off their chops before they even write a single line. I mean, these are just brilliant. Syntax Superheroes is perfect. The Infinite Loopers, if you know. Binary Brainiacs, Bit by Bit. The Algorithmic Aces, Code and Conquer. Each one is a little badge of honor that says, yeah, we're the ones who really get this stuff. So it doesn't really matter if you go with something funny, something cool, or something clever. What you're actually doing is choosing your identity. You're deciding as a team how you want to present yourselves to the world for this competition. And that's really what it boils down to, isn't it? A team name, it's more than just letters on a screen. It's a symbol of your team's spirit, your ambition, and everything you're trying to achieve together. It's the flag you fly as you head into battle. So I'll leave you with this one question to think about for your next hackathon. Don't just ask, what's our name? Ask, who are we going to be? Choose wisely, and good luck out there.